In this video, discover the top 5 most powerful tools for testing application performance under load. These tools are essential for ensuring your applications can handle the expected traffic and maintain optimal performance. First up, we have Apache JMeter. It is an open-source Java application designed for load testing and performance measurement. JMeter is versatile and widely used for analyzing and measuring the performance of various services. It offers both a graphical user interface, GUI, and command line modes, making it accessible for different user preferences. It supports multiple protocols including HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, and JDBC. JMeter also has extensive reporting capabilities, providing detailed insights into your application's performance. Here's a basic test plan structure example. The thread group configuration defines the number of threads, which is 100. Ramp-up time, which is 10, and duration, which is 300. The HTTP request sampler specifies the URL, which is https://api.example.com, the method, which is get, and the timeout, which is 5000. Next, let's explore LoadRunner, an enterprise-grade performance testing solution by Micro Focus. LoadRunner is known for its comprehensive features and scalability, suitable for large-scale applications. It offers protocol support for more than 50 technologies, accommodating a wide range of applications. LoadRunner supports both cloud and on-premise deployments, giving you flexibility in your testing environment. It also provides advanced analytics and reporting, helping you identify performance bottlenecks and optimize your system. A Vugen script example using C-based scripting will look like this. web_URL, with the name homepage and URL as https://example.com. Next, web_submit_data with the name login, the action login.php, item data, name user, and value admin. Gatling is a high-performance load testing framework built on Scala and Akka. Gatling is designed for developers who need to simulate a large number of concurrent users. It features an asynchronous non-blocking architecture, allowing it to handle high loads efficiently. Gatling provides a real-time monitoring dashboard, giving you immediate feedback on your test results. Its code-as-configuration approach makes it easy to define and manage your tests. A Scala DSL simulation will look like this. Import io.gatling.core. Predef, import io.gatling.http predef. Class API test extends simulation. Val HTTP protocol equals http.bsurl with the URL as https://api.example.com. Val SCN equals scenario called loadtest.exec, HTTP request and get users. K6 is a developer-friendly load testing tool with JavaScript scripting. K6 is designed to be easy to use and integrate into your development workflow. It supports JavaScript ES 2015/ES6, allowing you to write tests in a modern and familiar language. K6 supports cloud and on-premise execution, making it versatile for different deployment environments. It also has built-in performance metrics, providing you with essential data out of the box. A JavaScript test script looks like this. Import HTTP from K6/HTTP. Import check from K6. Export let options views, 50 duration 30 seconds. Export default function, let response equals HT, get with the URL as https://api.example.com. Check response status is 200, our status equals 200. Lastly, Locust is a Python-based load testing framework with web UI monitoring. Locust is known for its simplicity and ease of use, allowing you to define user behavior in Python. It offers distributed testing capabilities, enabling you to simulate a large number of users across multiple machines. Locust provides real-time web-based monitoring, giving you a clear view of your test progress. Its Python scripting flexibility makes it easy to customize your tests. A Python user behavior example is shown here. From Locust, import HTTP user task. Class website user HTTP user at task.def index page self.client.get/API/users. At task 3 def view item self.client.getAPI item/1. Here's a quick comparison of the tools discussed. JMeter is open source, Java-based, and supports multiple protocols. LoadRunner is an enterprise solution with C scripting and advanced analytics. Gatling is high performance, using Scala DSL and offering real-time reports. K6 is developer-friendly, uses JavaScript, and is cloud-native. Locust is Python-based, featuring a web user interface and distributed testing capabilities. Each tool has its strengths, making them suitable for different scenarios. Choose the right tool by considering your team's expertise and preferred programming language. Evaluate your scalability requirements and budget constraints. Each tool excels in different scenarios, so select based on your specific performance testing needs. By carefully assessing your requirements, you can ensure your applications are robust and performant. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.